Folks, the saga continues. Saga continues. That's all I can say. Stay tuned, man. Folks, I jumped in my car to start it, and guess what? It started. Now I gotta go to AutoZone. Thank you, Jesus. Woo! Peace. Folks, get one of these if you haven't gotten one. This just saved me. Get one of these. I don't have to bother nobody. Had to give it a little time to charge it. Now I'm gonna run it up to AutoZone. Peace. Oh, your boy on the road. Car started. Yeah! Hey, I made it to AutoZone. Folks, battery's still under warranty. Thank God. Be up and running soon.
Every single day we're rising to the top. Never looking back, we're always on the clock. Got our sights set high, we're chasing all our dreams. Walk and talk with Todd, it's never what it seems. Yeah, I'm breaking back.